Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode on Trimble Virtual World. We are just releasing a new version, which is the version 2.2, which has some very interesting new feature. So you will see the first thing you will notice, we have migrated from a PC ID to a TID. So now all your license will be linked to your Trimble identity login. So you will be facing a first interface where you will have to log in, or if you don't have an account, you will be asked to create one from the website. Another big one, we are launching as well our early experience program. So this is the URL. I will add it to the description so you can access it. But so when you open, you will be presented with a couple of information. You will be able to sign up for the program, so you will get updated with the latest feedback we receive, a couple of IDs which you can participate with us to guide us on what are the next feature. And so right now I'm going to take you through some of the updates we have been doing. So again, we have the full scene as we had since the beginning, and we have created a new one. It's really a simple one to really compare a bit more the design of the scene. So I'm going to use this scene. So this one is the one we call PolyTown. So Bob now is on the new scene, very simplified scene of trees made of polygons and houses, curb, and all the assets like that. So there is a lot of space around this scene. It's mostly like a city scene. You have some cars. I might need to walk on the footpath. And I'm still using my Xbox controller here. So this will give you a bit more realistic aspect of surveying in the field. So we can see the total station place on the corner, and for example I can start to survey a couple of assets. There is light post, there is trees, and there is still my target. Another aspect probably you have already noticed, we have upgraded our GPS to the latest one. Now we are using R780, which is the same GPS which is used for the geospatial, the construction, and all this kind of application. So it makes it a bit more useful for everyone. So really simply, I can evolve in this scene. I can install some pegs. So for example, when I use my X button or I use my keyboard on the X, I can place pegs around the site. I can use the P button or the back trigger on my controller to move the total station, and I'm going to place it over the mark. So all this functionality are still available in this new scene, and we can test the new scenarios. So this is the biggest change. So early experience program, sign up if you haven't. The new scene and as well the new GPS. So all of that should be working with Trimble Access, SiteWorks, Fieldlink, and there is as well some experimental on TerraFlex which are happening at the moment. Just for information, at the moment we are focusing quite a lot on the campaign or the quest as we are evolving into the next release. So stay tuned for more information. That's all. Thank you.